Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 3Dast. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add logo inside your Fusion 360 drawing sheets. If you have one single sheet inside your Fusion 360 drawing, it's really easy to add logo inside that. But if you have multiple sheets, you don't want to repeat the work, you just want to include that logo inside the title block and that's it. Here on your screen, as you can see, I had created a sample drawing just to explain you how you can add logo inside that. And also here you can see on the bottom it had just a single seat. Now whenever you are inside this drawing space, what you had to do to insert logo, simply go on to the top and click on this insert tab image and then click on this insert image tool, and a window will pop up like this. Then you have to click on the insert from computer and then you can locate your logo file. Right now it's on to my desktop, so I will click on it and will click on open, and I will click anywhere onto the space, but since I want to place it onto this area of the title block, so if you have a custom title block, you can define a place where you want to place your logo. Here I want to keep this logo onto this space, so I will click onto the area over here and then I will press OK. Now you can see I just inserted this logo inside my title block inside my drawing, but it's not well oriented. So what I will do, I will move my cursor over the logo and it will highlight the borders. Then I will click on it and then I can see all the four corner snap points. By clicking on this corner snap point and dragging, I can scale it down, and then I can click anywhere onto the middle of this logo and I can drag it and place it at the center of this space. So this is how you can insert this logo inside the drawing or the design if you have a single sheet. But there is a problem. The problem is, you can notice whenever I try to delete this title block, the moment I will select the title block and press delete on my keyboard, you can see the logo is still there. This means that this logo is not attached with my title block. So I will just press Ctrl plus Z to bring it back. And now if I try to add few more sheets into my drawing or the design, so if I click on to add the sheets, here you can see in the next sheet again the title block is coming without the logo. So again I have to repeat the process. So if you have multiple sheets, you have to repeat this process again and again, and we want to avoid this. And the solution to this is, first I will delete this extra sheet that we had just created. Now instead of adding logo over here, what I will do, I will simply select this logo and will press delete on the keyboard. Then we'll move on to my design tree over here. Here I will find my option that says sheet settings. I will expand these options, and under this sheet settings you will find this title block. This is the title block that is right now here inside this drawing. So I will make a right click on this title block and then I will click on edit title block. Here you can see now we are inside a space where we can edit this title block. Now here also you got an option to insert the images. Now I will click on this insert image and then I will click on this insert from computer. I will locate for the same file and I will place it onto this space. Again I will hover over my, I will first press OK to this, then I will hover over my cursor onto the border areas and then I can drag it down. I can reposition it onto the correct location. Then I can click on this finish title block. So now what happened, this logo that we had inserted is not inside this drawing, it's completely inside this title block. So if I delete this title block, here you can see the logo is attached with it. So I'll press Ctrl Z to bring it back. And now if I'll try to add the more sheets, if I'll click here on the plus icon to add more sheets into my drawing, here you can see in the next sheet automatically this logo is there. So I just had to worry about my content. So this is how you can do, you can add logo inside your Fusion 360 drawing. So if you have any questions about Fusion 360, just comment below in this video. I am always here to help you to answer your questions, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is the only way you can support me. So thank you so much guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.